I never thought that this would happen to me.
Pretty bitch, she bad, yeah. She drive a Scat, yeah. She drive a Scat, yeah. 392 with beauty, beat that gas, that thing up. 392 with beauty, beat that gas, that thing up. Gas that thing up. Gas that thing up. If you want that smoke, then you can gas that thing up. Gas that thing up. Gas that thing up. Beauty bitch, she bad, yeah. She drive a Scat, yeah. She be rolling through the NOLA, yeah. She turning lots of heads. 392 with beauty, beat that gas, that thing up. Gas that thing up. Gas that thing up.
So Mr. B thought it was a bright idea to go ahead and debadge the bee, so I'm about to watch you struggle with this. And the rain starts to come. Get down here and see. All that is scraped. And I just got them ceramic coated. All that is brushed. Yeah, it's scraped up.
But damn, that ceramic coat is saved.
The ceramic coat not gonna save it. Oh my fucking gosh. Yeah. So, the tow truck is on the way now to come and pick her up. We're gonna take it to Late's garage. I'm just going ahead and take off my Instagram and YouTube badges because I know we about to get on the highway and I just don't wanna. I don't see anybody else posting my damn baby, so we're gonna go ahead and debadge her. Man, taking my stuff out of here. I got I got my military clothes. And that's it. I don't really keep much in here. Should I get I'm gonna put my clothes and stuff in your car. Anything else? That's my blanket for my tires and my cones. Oh, scary. Oh yeah, that's my mask. My front mask. I might as well do a fucking giveaway with it since I ain't got a fucking car. The tow truck just got here to the house. I'm about to go ahead and get her towed over to Lake Garage and get like a little quota estimate of like all the damages and see like if it's even fixable. So I had to start her up and reverse her back onto the tow thing. Oh my God, like she's smoking so bad. Let me find out you're trying to be a slider now. You standing there looking like you hurt. You hurt?
So you two that you punished?
I'm punished.
You gotta get this off the back for a minute.
You punishing me from the bee? Wow, okay. It's the force of habit. Oh my God. I never thought I'd see the fucking day. I never thought that this would happen to me. All right. Just pulled pulled up into Late Garage. That's Late right there for me. Yeah. He got that, where the fuck that GTO at? He got a Pontiac that I really, really like that he be spinning that bitch. But yeah, we made it to Late's Garage, about to unload it and look at the damages and see. I want to show y'all Mr. B car. Look how he looking at it. So I'm a drifter and he's a racer. That's the crazy part about it. So that's how we met. So yeah, a lot of people be asking, how did you and Mr. B meet? I drift, he race. Simple as that. But he just got some work done to the car, so I can't really put his shit on right now because the streets don't even know what he got done yet. Shit is pressure. Oh, y'all, I didn't cry, I didn't scream, I didn't do everything I could do. And I want my car back. I just want my car back.
I've seen worse.
You seen worse?
I've seen worse. And I'm not close to it up. It looks like all.
Is it shifting? It is? Okay. He said, hold on. God damn, Late. Yeah. I take care of my little car.
I see you. It looks like it.
Oh, Lord. Well, y'all see where it's at.
Frame slightly bent.
I made it back home. Yeah, the B is at Late Garage, so he's gonna go ahead and do the inspection on the car to let me know any damages, anything that the insurance company needs to know. He's gonna handle all that. I'm just thankful to be okay. Mr. B is okay. It's crazy because I just was watching Slime Pack 392. I was just watching her her video about her accident, and 2 weeks later now my shit didn't happen. It's just crazy. I'm tired mentally. I'm still a little shaken up, but yeah, I feel like I'm about to go into a depression. So you guys have a good day. The next video will be like I don't know. I'm a YouTuber when I feel like it, y'all. Until next time, y'all.
Pretty bitch, she bad, yeah, she drive a Scat, yeah. She be rolling through the NOLA, yeah, she turning lots of heads. If you want that smoke, then you can gas that thing up.